It's alright, that.
So we have a bit of a problem. This little bolt here is stripped. This was one of the ones that we got out, and I think the thread, and this is the problem with Ali and I was, this I didn't even have a chance to talk down. It's just gone. Basically it means I've got to take all this off, clean it all off again, and put a thread repair in there. Arse. Oh, good to know that worked to an extent. Yeah. Right. There's you. Nothing bloody left of it. Right. Huh. Looks like we've got a posh new kit here. What the bloody hell is this? Ooh. Ooh, look at this, eh? It's a bit posh for me. Oh. I lost the duct tape. Bloody have, haven't I? Oh, you even got the right drill bit in you. Now, how far out is that? Oh, a bit. This is a Recoil branded kit. You start with a hole of a specific size, which you make the specific size with the specific drill that comes with the kit. This is then tapped out with the specific size tap, and you put the insert, which is like a spring, which has one thread on the inside and another thread on the outside. You do that with the special handle. This is all done by the idiot, as you can see. The idiot is not included with the kit. So, process is, you drill this out to be the same to be a certain size. You retap, the insert goes into the new thread, creating the old thread. Now, we're going to have enough. We've been here before. Yeah. Can't have it like that with that. Right. Getting this level with this is going to be a nightmare. Oh, actually, that's alright, that is. That's alright though. Ooh, why? Ooh, stop it, stop it! Right, okay. So we've now got a lovely little, which is easily deeper than that. So I'm going to wind that in after I've cleaned all this out. And then we can start putting this on again. Some people like a bit of thread lock. I don't see a point. Use this. I used to turn it back on itself to knock that off, but is that the method these days with these new kits? Apparently so. There we go. So, let's just test this a sec. Yeah. What a lot of fuss. There you go. One repaired thread. I think the two at it. She sprung a leak. At least the stuff is still okay though. Oh, we've sprung more than one leak. Bloody everywhere. Oh. Fumes, man, fumes. The room temperature vulcanization cream gets everywhere except where you need it. And ain't that the truth? Right. Okay. As previously mentioned, I don't have a torque device that goes down this low. So, because it's 20 Newton meters or 2 decanewtons. So what I'm doing is using the power new thread is nice. Nice. Yeah, let's pinch it up. Oh, yes. Nice. Just. Yes. Oh, yes. Yeah. So we can see we've got a we sponged out the side a bit, so of course this is where I realised that I haven't locked all this in properly. Yes. All 6 gears. Lovely.
It's alright, that.